Nowadays, there are a bunch of different essential oils, roots, and herbs available to support healthy living. These natural products can be used for treating ailments, flavoring your food, skin care, create perfumes, and manufacture environmentally safe cleaning products. Essential oils versus blended oils. The first to consider are essential oils. Only the purest oils will do for therapeutic purposes. Do not be fooled into thinking that you are purchasing pure oil when in fact it is a blend of several oils. Blended oils are acceptable for fragrance such as perfuming a room, but pure oils are necessary for medicinal intent. A general guide to the purity of oil is its price. Pure oils are normally more expensive. For instance, common oils such as lavender and geranium are less expensive than frankincense and carnation oil. Therefore, it is advisable to become familiar with essential oil prices and then rely on this knowledge when purchasing oils. As the saying goes, you get what you pay for. In addition, a price list from a reputable dealer is a valuable resource when buying essentials oils. Typically, pure oils cannot be applied directly to the skin and must be mixed with a base oil to lessen their strength. Base oils such as almond oil or wheat germ oil are generally used for this purpose. Base oils are usually derived from seeds, nuts, or vegetables. Basic oils and natural remedies. Lavender, without a doubt, is one of the most useful and desirable oils. It will work wonders on cuts, bruises and burns, and promotes sleep and relaxation. The tea tree and eucalyptus oils are useful for treating a variety of respiratory ailments. These are excellent for colds and coughs. These oils can be massaged into the chest or burned in an oil burner to help clear the airways and prevent congestion. Tea tree oil is a natural antiseptic and can be dabbed on cuts, bites and stings. It is often used to treat spots and pimples, and when diluted with water, acts as a mouth gargle. Keep in mind it should never be swallowed. Geranium oil with its characteristic perfume and pain-relieving properties is a basic antiseptic. This herbal remedy should be part of your essential oil and natural herbal remedies garden. Peppermint oil treats digestive upsets and may be used for breath freshening. Thyme and rosemary are considered herbs and can be grown in pots and used when needed. Both of these herbs can be used to create oils or flavor food. Thyme and rosemary are also antiseptics and can be used in skin care preparations. Lemon oil and fresh lemons will purify water. When lemon is mixed with honey, it is an effective herbal remedies for colds and flu. Lemon and white vinegar are highly effective cleaning agents that can be used for domestic cleaning tasks without damaging the environment. White vinegar is a natural disinfectant, or mix it with water to clean windows and wooden floors. If you want to keep the insects away this summer, citronella oil or garlic will do. Add a capsule of garlic to your dog's food and your dog will not be bothered by fleas. You could also soak a soft dog collar in citronella to keep fleas and mosquitoes at bay. Garlic helps to promote a healthy immune system. When the weather turns cold and the viruses begin to circulate, adding garlic to your diet will leave you less susceptible. In fact, most of the oils and herbs listed above are effective in helping to prevent many common winter illnesses. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned anything new, please consider clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel. We also have a Pinterest and Twitter account, where you can follow us and see some of the stuff we don't post on our YouTube channel. The links to both of those profiles are in the description of this video. Again, thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.